Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Walik. I'm up here doing some laundry. Still collecting these $25 payments, $100 payments. Just let you know it doesn't matter how much money you make, you still got to do simple stuff in life. Still got to get the kids ready for school. Still got to do chores. Still got to clean up the kitchen. Still got to cook. You still got to do regular things no matter how much money you make. But let's talk about something serious. The government shutdown. The government shutdown. Serious, sorry, a serious thing. A lot of federal employees, if you're affected by the government shutdown, you're getting furloughed, hoping that you make some money, hoping that they pay you back for the days that you got to go in, or if you're just told not to come to work, so they don't even have to pay you for that. I advise you to go ahead, take $25 and get into this program. Get at the first lowest level and start making these unlimited, multiple $25 payments. It's a great system. Training is provided. It's something new. It's a quick skill. Pretty much you're learning how to promote, sell digital products, and you're learning digital marketing. $25. There's other levels you can get up on, but multiple $25 payments a day will really help supplement that income and bring that extra money that you're not going to be getting. Alright, I don't know how long this is going to last. They saying they got another bill that's going to be able to be signed, but until then, click the link below, get more information, and let's go ahead and do that. You can't just sit around watching the news because you already know your situation right now. So do something right now to fix that situation. All right, if you're going through the government shutdown, laid off, or you need something in between, if you're a teacher and you know your next check is not going to come to the end of January, get on this right here. All right, take it easy. I'm just trying to help. Peace. Subscribe to the channel. Look at my other videos about this $25 one up and see why it's so great. Take it easy.